Puberty is no different than them sitting in the audience of their life going through puberty. That's what they named it. Body doesn't give a shit what it is. It doesn't know that it does these hormones. It just does what it does. Okay. So there was a time in our lives when we had massive growth changes, skin changes, sexual craving changes, sometimes for the first time, right? Sexual organ changes, our desires, our aggression changes, our personalities shift and change, our moods change. Everything's changing to this massively drastic degree called puberty. Would anybody here say that puberty is a pathology? I don't think so. If you Google puberty pathologies, they've come up with them. I'm telling you, because the people in the audience of their life, they didn't respond exactly how everyone else did. So now somebody said, you're wrong. We already know like where that would go. But could you imagine now, walk with me, during puberty, if you're a man or if you're a woman, you understood. I think you can remember what it was like to go through that. We had acne out the ass, like 24/7 boner. Hair got thick. It used to part and then it curled, and it was this whole, my knees and elbows hurt. Like, my knees, like I had growth spurt pain, all this stuff. I was like off the chain. I couldn't get tired. And then I get super tired. And then I watched my sister go through stuff. Like, again, you can remember. Now imagine if at any time during that period, pun, during that period of time, somebody were to come in and go, well, that's fucked up. Or, oh, Jesus, not supposed to have that. Or that's how you're responding? Could you imagine a little girl bleeding for the first time and like somebody was just like parents or whomever or anybody was just like, oh, God. Or, oh my God, no, no, sister. Oh, you're not supposed to do that. Like, I mean, everyone's world would be shaped from that point that we would have to go in and really intervene in our own lives to understand the effect of that fucking audience experience, right? No way. What are we instead during that time? Super supportive. My God, maybe a level of education and discussion. There's dialogues going on, really transparent and open, like, hey, if you have any feelings and thoughts, mine wasn't this, but I've seen and talked to others, like, if you need help or help using a pad or a tampon or help getting deodorant or help with hygiene, like, again, all these different things, right? We slow everything down. Sore, achy, sports can't keep up. You don't play for 1 or 2 years. Should be, right? Maybe you're not going to the sleepover. You're kind of tired, kind of sore abdomen, kind of sore, kind of puffy. Oh, okay. Let's just stay home. Let's stay home and eat popcorn and watch Freddy Krueger or whatever it is, right? You would support the shit out of that person. So, okay, fast forward now to a life of sitting in the audience with various speakers going on, and we have mood changes, skin changes, hair thickness or thinning changes, sexual changes, energy changes, voice changes, hormonal changes, right? As a perfect response, like the body's perfect response to do all this. Um, Mood, I already said, aggression, right? Strength, virility, uh, again, sound familiar? That these areas would be needing to be felt and seen and experienced, call it puberty 2, adult puberty. Because again, if we say puberty 2 or puberty 2.0 or adult puberty, then it's like, oh yeah, fuck yeah. What'd you do the first time? Totally honored that little one. Totally protected the fuck out of that little one with everything we had in this household. Maybe or maybe not. I don't know, right? What your childhood was like or what you did with your children here, or if you have children. But um, so again, you have a different light because now we understand that even if you're sitting in the audience of life and your body is responding in a way that's a collection of symptoms or biological readings that they're going to group and call menopause, andropause, peri, right? You're still in the audience of life. at no time. If your body wasn't wrong at any time in that audience, it's not wrong now, right? So if menopause andropause aren't wrong,